How to operate a Seiko stopwatch. Before you can press any buttons, the buttons are locked, as you can see. So you're going to come up and switch the switch up, which unlocks the buttons. And before you can start the time, you're going to power on the paper dispenser, which gives it some room to write. And then you're going to come over here, and as you can see, the screen's on the stopwatch screen, as the arrow shows here. Now, if you're located on the time screen here, you're just going to come down here and press the Stop W button that is located here for you to go back to the stopwatch screen. So your runners are going to go, and once they go, you're going to press start, and as you see, it's printing out the time, date, when it starts. Runner crosses the line, another one crosses the line, puts down their split in time. As many runners as there are is what it is. You're going to press this to stop the race when it is done. Hold this out for as much space as you need so when it rips, it doesn't rip your time off. And when you're ready, you can rip this off, and when the new race comes around to get your times back all down to 0, you're just going to come over here and press the reset.